Hello guys, welcome to this kind of like a mini lesson on Microsoft PowerPoint here at Learn.io. Today we're just going to talk a little bit about this little section of views here called the master views. I actually realized now going back into the videos, whenever I click on new slide, you can't see the options for the slides that I can write when I'm kind of wiggling my mouse around here. So hopefully you guys have been following on your own version of Google Slides or PowerPoint. So you kind of know what I'm talking about when I click on that and I wiggle my mouse around here and say, oh yes, these slides. It basically means the template slides, right? But I bring that up because those template slides are what you edit in Master View. So Master View would look something like this for, actually, it would probably look something a little more like here you'd have this, and then you'd have a little bit of text here, ASDF, ASDF, and a little another one, ASDF, another one, ASDF, so on, right? So it'll show you the default font, size, bold, not bold, everything for your title, each layer of bullet points and the text that goes there, how everything would look. And what you can use Master View for is to edit the default. So if you have this theme that you're using, and every single time you're creating a slide, you're having to change the titles, font, and this and that, there's two ways to fix that. The easy way, the way I'd actually recommend you do it, and the reason why I'm not going too in-depth on the master slides, change the fonts and everything once, then just copy-paste that title into every slide, and then just, change the title. That way the font stays correct. Slightly more complicated way is to go into View, go into Slide Master, and then edit the font title of every title slide in your presentation. It's a bit much, right? So it has its uses if you're making a really long presentation and at the beginning you make some sort of critical decision about some font needs to be different. It's a good way to just make sure you don't have to keep going back and changing the fonts. But in a lot of cases, there's easier ways to do things, better ways to do things. So I recommend using copy paste a lot. Remember, Control-C, Control-V. If you're on Mac, Command-C, Command-V. And yeah, I think that's all for today. I hope you learned something.